Hi, here we are doing SOP 4 of HSC IT Commerce Computerized Accounting with GST. Now in this experiment, what does it says? Happy World Tours and Travel Company from JM Road, Deccan, Gymkhana, Pune, Maharashtra 4110 with GST number is a tourism company that provides travel and tourism related service to general public. So here this company is a service company. The company renders service like air ticketing, booking, railway ticket booking, group tour booking, vehicle on rent, etc. Following transaction has taken place in the month of November with 2019 with the help of any open source or free education version accounting software. Enter the following transaction in appropriate voucher of Happy World Tours and Travels company with GST calculation. Now here are the transaction that happens in the Happy World Tours and Travel Company. What are the transaction? On 1st November 2019, received commission rupees 50,000 with 18% GST from Mrs. Success Business Agency, Pune. So from here the commission has been received for the group tour booking. And then on 2nd November, a motor cab rented to the regular client Mrs. Ajay Singh Gupta of Aund, Pune on a cost of rupees 15,000 with 5% GST. So here also in the company income has come. On 2nd November, the company paid rupees 20,000 for website development charges for Mrs. Soft Corner. So here the expenses happen of website development charges, Karnataka with GST 18%. Now this three transaction that we need to do it. Then afterwards we need to print GSTR2 and GST annual computation report. Now here is the solution. In the above transaction we need to consider SGST, CGST and IGST. Now step 1, we need to create a company. So let's start by creating a company by the name Happy World Tours and Travels Company. Alt F3, create company. Happy World Tours, TOURS Tours and Travels Company. Enter. Then the address of the company you need to type in. What is the address? Address is JM Road, J.M Road, Deccan, Gymkhana, Pune, Maharashtra. Yeah, state is Maharashtra. And all the details are not there, so press enter. And here is very important, it's 1st April 2019. Press enter and enter. So the company has been created. So now step 1 we have completed the step of creating the company. Now the next step that we need to do, that we need to enable the GST features. Press F11, statutory and taxation, enter. Enable goods and service has to be yes, set alter detail yes, press enter. Put the GST number 27, then STUVW 1212, then T1Z2. So this is the GST details that we had to put in. Press enter. Again press enter to complete this. Now after setting up the GST details, the next step that we need to create a ledger in accounts info. So here we have done it. Now we will do the ledger part. Ledger first commission received because the first entry, okay, it says receive commission rupees 50,000 with 18% GST. So we have to make a commission ledger, that is commission received. Account, you have to go to accounts info, ledger, create COMFI commission received. Commission received is my indirect income. Enter, enter. Set alter GST, yes. Enter, enter. It's sales taxable. Press enter. How much is the GST? It's 18%. Press enter. Enter. It's the type is service. Enter and enter. Then after commission received, from whom I have received a commission, that is Messrs Success Business Agency. So Messrs Success Agency will be under my sundry debtors. Messrs Success Business Agency. Enter, enter. Sundry debtors. Enter, enter. Messrs Business Success Agency is of Pune. Enter, enter. Enter. Pin code is not mentioned. GST number also is not mentioned. So directly pass, like enter and go through. Then a motor car cab rent to the regular client to Mr. Ajay Singh Gupta, Pune, on a cost of rupees 15,000 with 5% GST. So we need to create, okay, a motor cab rent also of ledger. After this, motor cab rent, enter, enter. Under indirect income, enter, enter, yes, enter. This is also sales taxable. How much is the GST? Here it is 5% GST. Enter, enter, enter. Now whom I have given the motor car rent to Ajay Singh Gupta. So Ajay Singh Gupta, I will receive the money, so he will be sundry debtors. So Mr. Ajay Singh Gupta. Press enter. Sundry debtors. Enter, enter, enter. Ajay Singh Gupta is of Aundh, 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 Pune. Enter, enter. Enter. Then on 2nd November I paid rupees 2,000 for website development charges to Mr. Soft Corner. So I need to create a ledger of website development charges. Okay, and website development charges will be my indirect expense. Website development charges. Enter. Under sundry, sorry, under indirect expense. Enter, enter. Set alter details, yes. This is purchase taxable. This will go under. How much is the 18%? Enter. Service. Now Messrs Soft Corner, whom I need to pay the website development charges. So this will be my sundry creditors. Enter. It is of Karnataka. Enter. Enter. Then I have to create SGST. Under duties and taxes. GST, yes. This is state tax. Enter, enter, enter. Then CGST, GST. This is central tax. Enter, enter. Then IGST, this is integrated tax. Enter, enter. So all the taxation has been created. Now is the time to do the voucher entries. You have to go to accounting voucher. So on 1st November, what happened? Okay, receive commission rupees 50,000 with 18% GST from Mrs. Success Business Agency. So here Mrs. Success Business Agency account debit to commission received to credit, CGST credit and SGST credit. So this happened on 1st of November. Here I have to make it this entry under sales. For F8, press sales. Who is the party name? The party name is what? Mrs. Success Business Agency. Enter, press enter. And the particular is credit commission received. How much is the commission? 50,000. And how much is the SGST? Automatically it will come. CGST also will come. So total it is 59,000. With 50,000 with GST is 59,000. Press enter, enter. Being received commission of 50,000 with 18% GST. You can write down. Enter. Then on again 1st November we need to pass an entry as voucher, that is in receipt. For receipt press F6. That is cash account debit to Mrs. Business Success Agency. So first credit will come in receipt. Amount is 59,000 on account, cash account debit. So we have received commission. Total amount is 59,000. Press enter. Being commission received of 50,000 with 18% GST. Enter. So we had finished our first entry. Now we'll do our second entry, that is on 2nd of November. Press enter. On 2nd of November, a motor cab rented to the regular client Mrs. Ajay Singh Gupta. So here the entry will be Ajay Singh Gupta account debit to motor cab account, to CGST account and to SGST account. So here make it again, entry is in sales. F8 for sales. Party name is Mrs. Business Success Agency. Again press enter. Sorry, the party name is Ajay Singh. So I'm sorry. Enter, enter. Particulars what we have received. Okay, motor cab rent. How much we receive motor cab rent? 15,000. Enter. Then SGST and then CGST. So total is 15,750 amount. Okay, we have received. So here you can write on the narration. Being okay, motor cab rented to regular kind, a motor cab rented received of 15,000 with 5% GST. 15,750 is the total amount. Now this entry will right now come under receipt. For receipt press F6. So in receipt again entry will be cash account debit to Ajay Singh Gupta. So Ajay Singh Gupta will be credit. Amount will be 15,750 on account to cash account debit to Ajay Singh Gupta. Being motor cab rent received of 15,000 with 5% GST. Press enter. Then other entry that we need to do it, that is, first we'll check all the entries have been passed perfectly. Display daybook, Alt F2 from 1st November till date. Yes, one receipt sale, receipt sale, receipt sale entry is there. Now we need to do the entry of purchase and payment. Go to accounting vouchers. You have paid rupees 20,000 for website development charges. So for like this will go in the purchase F9 because you had paid on 2nd of November. The party name is Mrs. Soft Corner. Press enter, enter, enter. For the payment is for website development charges. How much payment we have done? We have done the payment of 20,000. Here SGST is 18 and CGST is 18. So total is 23,600. Press enter and enter, enter, enter. Now this entry will go in the payment. For payment you need to press F5. Entry will be Mrs. Soft Corner account debit. $23,600 on account to the credit will be cash, being payment made to website development charges to Mrs. Soft Corner. Enter. So here we have completed our all the ledger part. We had created a ledger of commission received under indirect income. Then we had created the ledger of Mrs. Success Business Agency, then SGST, CGST, IGST, motor cab rent, Mr. Ajay Singh, website development charges. So all this ledger we have created. Commission received Mrs. Success Business Agency, SGST, CGST, IGST, motor cab rent, Ajay Singh, website development charges, and we have done all these voucher entries also. Now we have done all the due sales entries also and payment entries. Now the last step that is remaining, that we need to display the reports. So first we need to display GSTR2 report. Display Statutory report, GSTR2 report. So this is our GSTR2 reports, and then GST annual computation report, GST annual computation. Then we have to see whether we have done all the entries or not. We have to go to display daybook, alt F2, from 1st November till date. All the entries, the receipt sales, payment, purchase and receipt sales, all the entries have been documented in this. You can check, and if you want you can make any changes also by going inside, or if you want you can delete also by pressing alt D. So we have covered in this experiment. This experiment was related particularly to services. Early experiment we have done all related to inventory, stock items. Here it was only for service. I hope you have understood this complete experiment. If you have any query you can always ask me. Thank you.